Lord Dattatreya is a revered deity in Hinduism, considered the embodiment of the Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. He is known for his wisdom, guidance, and spiritual teachings, often referred as Datta Guru. Here's a detailed description of Dattatreya Swami and why humans worship him. Who is Dattatreya Swami? Dattatreya is believed to be the son of sage Arti and his highly divine wife, Ansuya. Lord Dattatreya is the combined incarnation of the Hindu Trinity, symbolizing creation, preservation, and transformation. He is often depicted with 3 heads and 6 arms, representing his omniscience and connection to the Trinity. As the ultimate Guru, Lord Dattatreya guides devotees on a path of knowledge, self-awareness, and liberation. He gains self-awareness by observing, considered as 24 gurus, elements and creatures, treating them as his teachers are earth, air, sky, fire, moon, sun, pigeon, python, ocean, moth, bee, elephant, fish, Kotsan Pingla, cow, child, maiden, serpent, arrowsmith, spider, caterpillar. This illustrates his teaching that wisdom can be found everywhere. Pujan and chanting mantras of Dattatreya Swami. Chanting the Dattatreya mantra can bring numerous benefits, including spiritual growth, fosters self-awareness, enlightenment, and a deeper connection with the divine. Inner peace, promotes emotional calm, balance, and mental clarity. Protection, shields devotees from negative energies, evil planets, and black magic. Healing, supports physical health, wellness, and vitality. Prosperity, attracts positive energy, abundance, and good fortune. Compassion and empathy, inspires kindness, understanding, and positive relationships. Overcoming obstacles and Pitri dosha. Relief for ancestral soul. Wisdom and knowledge. Balances of gunas. Simplicity. Mantras and their benefits. Some powerful mantras dedicated to Lord Dattatreya include Dattatreya Mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Dattatreya Samtushtaya. Matra brings spiritual growth, protection, and inner peace. Dattatreya Maha Mantra, Digambara Digambara Shripad Vallabh Digambara, possesses fierce positive energy, making the impossible possible. Dattatreya Bij Mantra, Om Dran, removes mental troubles and brings benedictions. Dattatreya Gayatri Mantra, Om Digambaraya Vidmahe Yogi Shraray Dhimahi Tanno Dat, Prachodyat. Resolves Pitra Dosh, brings wisdom, knowledge, and strength. Scientific evidence. The spiritual and philosophical teachings associated with him have been studied and appreciated by scholars and practitioners worldwide. The benefits of chanting mantras, meditation, and yoga, which are often linked to Dattatreya Swami, have been explored in various scientific studies, highlighting their positive impact on mental and physical well-being. How to get benefit from Dattatreya Swami? Benefit from Dattatreya Swami, individuals can chant mantras, regularly chant Dattatreya mantras with devotion and faith. Worship, offer white flowers, sweets, and prayers to Lord Dattatreya. Selfless service, practice selfless service, feeding the hungry, and serving others. Contemplation, engage in contemplation, awareness, and purification practices. Seek guidance, study Dattatreya's teachings and seek guidance from spiritual masters. Here are some prominent Dattatreya Swami temples dhams in India. Gangapur Dattatreya Temple, Karnataka. This temple is associated with Sri Narasimha Saraswati Swami, an incarnation of Lord Dattatreya. The temple is located on the banks of the Bhima River in the Afzalpur Taluka of the Gulbarga district. Narsobachi Wadi, Maharashtra. This temple is believed to be the place where Sri Narasimha Saraswati Swami did penance. It's located in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Girnar, Gujarat. Considered the main abode of Lord Dattatreya, Girnar is a sacred hill in Gujarat. Kuravpur, Karnataka. This Kshetra is associated with Shripad Vallabh, another incarnation of Lord Dattatreya. Sri Selya, Karnataka. This is the Samadhi site of Sri Narsimha Saraswati Swami. Akkalkot, Maharashtra, home to the Swami Samarth Maharaj Temple, which is dedicated to another revered saint. Basva Kalyan, Karnataka, features a Sri Dattatreya temple. Maniknagar, Karnataka, has the Manik Prabhu Datta temple, an incarnation of Lord Datta. Pithampur, Maharashtra, birthplace of Shripad Vallabh and home to the Anghalakshmi Mandir and Gopal Baba Ashram. Brahma Datta Dham. At Malipukur in between Baruipada station and Sekka, Bardhaman Cord Line, West Bengal. For more important information, subscribe, like, share, comment this channel, follow previous and upcoming videos. Thank you.